India has a variety of art forms practiced in different parts of the country. Some have evolved over time, adapting to new material and paint colors, while others have been untouched by modernization. Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting is a very old form of folk art that originated in the Madhubani district of Bihar. These paintings were first painted by the artist hailing from this village. King Janak Rai, father of Sita, wanted the artist to capture moment of Sita's wedding ceremony with Lord Ram. Hence, these paintings came to be known as Mithila painting. Madhubani paintings are mostly practiced by women. These paintings or wall murals depict god, flora, and fauna. Madhubani is characterized by geometric patterns. It is made from rice paste and natural colors. The colors are derived from flowers like marigold, rose, etc. Pencil is used to draw a rough outline for the painting. Nib pen, rotring pen can be used for Madhubani art, Indian folk art. Handmade paper or canvas cloth is the basic material used for Madhubani painting. The raw material used for this painting are paper, satin cloth, fabric cloth, cotton cloth, etc. The painting saw human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc.